Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly solder and desolder a flex display. In this case, this is a Samsung phone. I will power it on using the power source to demonstrate that the display is working properly and the phone boots. Next, I'm going to disassemble the display. Mind that there is adhesive under it, and the best way is to use a proper plastic tool. Gently pry the display up, but don't in any case use a metal tool, because you will break the display. Here you can see the type of solder that is used, and also bear in mind that there are gaps and a slight adhesive under it. These gaps help you align the display properly on the motherboard. By gently prying on the underside of the display, you can soften the adhesive. Now normally I use this kind of tip for this job, but I found a more precise way of doing this. So I am now going to take away the tip and exchange it to a T15-1401 Hako tip, which has a larger surface area. I'm going to use a little bit of flux on the connector. And also I will use fresh solder because the old one behaves a little bit nasty. So after renewing the solder, you can now easily take the display off. Okay, now for refurbishment purposes, I usually straighten this connector up. And here you can see the adhesive that is under the connector. I'm also going to clean the board of the old solder. By using these gaps, these small holes, I will align the display properly on the board. I will press gently on it for the adhesive to take effect, and now I will begin soldering the display. Also, using flux helps. And now I will also use fresh solder on the bad joints, in case there are any. This looks like as a temporary work because there is one more step to do, cleaning the flux residues. So I will now use some isopropyl alcohol and wipe off the excess flux that remained on the board. As you can see, it is very clean and looks very nice. I will now test again to make sure that the work is good. And as you can see, the phone is functional, the display works perfectly. Now, for more stuff, please subscribe